So in this Neo Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make $50 from affiliate marketing on Neo Financial. So once you guys open up the Neo Financial application, go to the top right and press on the profile icon. Either select refer a friend or refer friends and earn. They both will get you to the exact same screen. And once you're on this screen, if you want to make $50 from affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and share this code right here. So where it says earn $50 when a friend gets an eligible Neo credit card, you get $50, they get $25 if you can successfully refer your friend to Neo Financial and they sign up for a credit card. So you can read all about it here in the terms and conditions, but you can share the link. So if you want to share the link, go to the bottom. That is your referral link. Now, if you're not really too sure what the credit cards are, you can always go ahead and send them this right here. All the different credit cards that are being offered through the Neo Financial application here. So once again, top right, refer a friend, and then read all about the $50 here. So if the more friends you can refer, the more money that you can receive through affiliate marketing. In this case, $50 per referral. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to earn $50 from affiliate marketing on Neo Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.